Alright, so this is number 14 on our test here. Now, the problem basically states which one of 4 answer options has these qualities. Alright, it's supposed to have an axis of symmetry at x equals -6. It's supposed to have a maximum at a maximum of 2, but the of 2 part didn't really matter. And it also has to pass through -5, 1. So most of you actually got it right. All right, with this answer over here. Of the ones that got it wrong, they fell into these 2 categories. And there's 2 ways that you can go about solving this. All right, you can pay attention. You could pay attention to this information at the top, and most of you got this part right. All right, I guess all of these had this quality. The axis of symmetry was x equal -6. You know, because it's 6 to the left, all these are 6 to the left. But the part that we missed on these 2, all right, they didn't have a maximum. These 2 actually, because this is positive out here, these 2 open upwards, and so these are going to have a minimum. Okay, this one has a minimum of -2. This one has a minimum of +2. Okay. This one, because it opens downward, it will have a maximum, and right here is the y coordinate of the vertex, so it's going to have a maximum of 2. Now you could have also solved this problem just using this passes through a point part if you understood what that meant. So most of you just you saw these 2 things and went with it. So -5 stands for x and 1 stands for y. So what we're going to do is plug in -5 for this x, and then hopefully we get 1 back for our y value. Alright, so I'm going to do negative on the outside, parentheses -5 plus 6, and squared. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see that. Here. There we go. Alright, so I have this negative on the outside, and then I'm plugging in -5 for x. Then we have this +2. Okay, and we get back +1 for our y value, and that is what we wanted to get. So if you were to try plugging in -5 for x on these 2, I'm not like 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that you won't get back +1.